Hey guys, Mike Fab'n again. Got some parts in, and we're gonna do just unboxing, no big deal, but show you what some of the stuff we've got for the car. Here we go. Here they are. I believe this is part of the gauges. And John Bailey's a nice guy, does really good work. Porsche gauges. We will get this thing opened up. Okay. Just open this up. There we go. Packaged very well. Yep. Original video 911 numeric oil temperature gauge for the gauges in the car. We're going to change a couple of the gauges around. Add that to the temperature gauge. Right now, currently in the car, it's just marks. There's no numbers. So we're adding this one. Put it back in the box so she don't get hurt. And these are BOSE door speakers out of a Corvette, and that had 12 miles on it and it got crashed. They're very well packaged as well. So these are 6-inch door speakers, BOSE door speakers. BOSE. But a pair of them are facing each other. They're at a very low mile Corvette. Yeah, I think it had like 12 or 13 miles on it. So like brand new. And then I couldn't find any speaker grills that would look good in the, that would go over the top of those that I liked. I wanted them to say BOSE, of course, because there's holes in my door panels already where somebody put some aftermarket speakers in it. But they're just open holes now. Somebody took it out. And it has a removable faceplate type stereo in it, but the removable faceplate's missing too. So I had to buy a head unit. I'll show you that in a minute. Okay. All right, pull tab here, and it just breaks. Of course, that's how it works. There we go. Pull tab here. So these are these are new old stock off of a Nissan GTR from Japan. What I'm told is the cars aren't available in the US. I don't know if that's true or not. I'm not a Nissan guy. But they're brand new in the boxes still. And these are the covers that I ended up liking and going with. So let's see if they look as nice in person as they did in the pictures. They're all packaged. Oh yeah, those will look good. Those will look real nice. Over the top of our BOSE speakers. If I can get it out of the bag. Brand new, still has the stickers and everything on them. But wow, that looks nice. That's going to cover the speakers just nice. It'll look good in our door panels. So yeah. Put it back in its bag. Put it back in its box. So I don't hurt them. Of course, throw it on the ground. That's gonna look nice in the car. And I'll do the head unit next. Show you the head unit I got. Here's the head unit. I'll open the box and show you what's inside. It's very well packaged, inside paper and bubble wrap. It's just a Pioneer detachable face, DEHX56HD. It's Bluetooth, USB. It's a decent, little head unit. The thing is, it's an open box special. It was missing the remote control, which, I've owned at least 10 of these in different cars and trucks, and I've never used the remote control. So it didn't bother me a bit that the remote was missing. So this was like $269 normally. And I got it for $45. It was make offer. I'm actually pretty pleased with it. Anyway, so guys, we appreciate it. Please help us get to 1,000 subscriptions. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.